I'm going to give a free gift for you, the performance tracker for every subject I have done for you. By doing this, definitely I will say you will know where you are and definitely you will score high in NEET exam also. Hey guys, in this video, as many of them may know, in thumbnail itself, I'm going to give a free gift for you. That is also very surprising. That is, if you see, it is very useful that I have made for you by my own. That is a NEET performance tracker for every subject I have done for you. Let's go to subject 2, that is chemistry. If you see in chemistry, most probably I can say that most of it is same, but little bit changes I have done for chemistry. That is chapters name I have wrote here. That is I can able to see that chemical bonding, surface chemistry, thermodynamics, solid state solution, electrochemistry, ENF block, everything I have wrote that you can check it. So you see first the lecture videos that I have wrote here, very important to do first. Next DPP, if you have DPP, otherwise modules also you can do. So you should tick mark it. Syntax and solid is very important. I have already said in the study plan, so it's very important. If you have any extra questions, that you can write it here and tick it here also if you have done it. Finally, NCERT marking also is very important. I have said in organic, I'm going to give a free gift also here. If I will do it, how if you want to mark physical inorganic, I have said how to do it in the study plan itself. Definitely you will enjoy it. See in this, see the description in the link. Definitely you can see it. In test, if you want to do in test, if you see I have spread into chapter wise test, unit wise test, that you can do. If you have done it, put a tick mark here. If you have done unit test, tick mark, put a tick mark here. Simple. So whatever the test you write, if you have separate name for the test, you can write it here and striking it and rewriting it, you can do it easily. So finally PYQs, if you see, it's probably the same 2-3 revisions I have. PYQs I have told how many times you should solve, like solve it, how we can solve it, everything I have said, when you should solve, at what month you should solve, how we should solve frequently, how we can manage with the test, everything I have given idea very wonderfully. You will really enjoy it. So after complete, you can put a tick mark here, very important. Finally mock test, the last month, it is very, very important. Finally the revisions, whatever you have done, that is in NCERT, in notes, otherwise in whatever you have, definitely you can, after completing once completely only you should put a tick mark here. It is very important to do every chapter you should do. When I will say guarantee and say one thing is when you are doing normally like this, if you have not done this, if you have not done still this, when I am giving this as a gift for you, if you are really interested to do, definitely when you buy, what you should do is just take a printout of it. If you want to be a little bit colorful, definitely you can directly print out in color. If you want, I will not invest more money. If you think it's not more money itself, so if I am saying suppose if you felt a little bit cost for that also, I will say if you can do directs also. If you felt colorful, that you can, I will say most probably you can do a color. So if you have done it, definitely when you are doing it, I will say one thing very, very guaranteed, you may feel a little bit hard to do. Because before what you have done is, you have thought that I am doing everything completely, it's okay to do, I am doing self-study by my own, I am doing very properly. You may thought like that. When I am doing this, you may think, oh, I have missed this thing, I have not done this thing. I am taking a little bit time to do everything. I am not very, very proper in my study plan. So you may feel this. You have a little bit more discipline. You may be a little more disciplined, but try to improve a lot from your side. Because I said now one thing you may thought that I will solve in text. You may thought I forgot doing NCERT revisions. You may thought I will do PYQs. You may forgot like writing a test. Anything you may miss, but definitely by ticking this, whenever you have completed, by ticking what are the thing I have said, like lecture videos, DPP, everything, if I ticking it, definitely you will know that I have completed every chapter and coming in order wise, definitely I am doing it. Other if I have not done that thing, you can easily see that I am not done because it should be doing at the last. Because in mock test, if you take an example like mock test, I have not done anything because mock test will be coming at the last. That's why I have not done, but the other things I have completed. Like that, focused you will be, and if definitely you may know that what is the level actually you are. I will say definitely by doing this, definitely you are going to enjoy it. So definitely what you should do is after making a color xerox, try to put on your wall. Definitely will help you whenever you see, you will feel that I have not completed this, I should solve it, I should do this, I will complete before this month. If you want a very proper plan, I have already said I have made a study plan video. Definitely you can check it out. This for chemistry also. So I have given you for every chapter I have wrote. If I forgot, I think most probably I have checked 2-3 times. I wrote every chapter. If I felt I have missed any chapter, you can write here also. And write here also. There is more space to write, but you can use it. Finally, for biology, biology is different because biology and physics, chemistry, if you see, there's more difference you can see. That is because in biology, if you see, there is no in-text and all, right? So definitely it will be different, but I have already everything covered by every column. I have completed with some things, and I have said extra in study plan itself, especially many of them may not know. Let us see. So I wrote the chapter's name here, that is every chapter I wrote. You can also check. Locomotion movements, neural control and coordination, finally sexual reproduction and flowering plants. So yeah, so everything I have wrote, and you can also see. So finally I will say start with lecture videos. That is lecture videos definitely should complete for every chapter. First thing, NCERT marking. This is a variety of things. Many of them say NCERT marking, they will put only one column. I have spread it to 3 things. It's very important. I have said very special video how to highlight a chemistry, bio. I have made 2 videos. For biology, I am saying to definitely NCERT marking is very important to do in both chemistry and bio also. It is must to do. In NCERT marking, if you see physics and chemistry, I have put in only one column. In bio, it is different because it is you should do more and more. What are the things you have solved for intakes and some other things? That thing I am going to make equal by making it equal for just for NCERT marking, because there is a variety of things you can do. Because most probably NCERT bio mostly they will not make any short notes, I think, because they will mostly read NCERT only. So I have made everything in NCERT itself, that is highlighted the NCERT first. Highlighting NCERT is very important because how to highlight, many of them may not know. I have made a study plan video, definitely you can check it out. So highlight a very important means what are the things you should highlight, everything I have said. Finally, the summary. It's very important to read summary. Many of them may avoid it. I am saying very important. Summary this is also must. I said how to highlight summary also in this. Separately, I made a video for how to highlight NCERT in bio, but you can check it out. Finally, PYQ marking also you should do. What are the questions they have asked? Definitely you should do. How to mark the PYQs, topics or question, anything. What are the things you should do? I made a separate video for NCERT, how to highlight in bio. It's very important. Finally, I think most probably if it is bio also, definitely you should do practice of more questions like MCQs, match the following, everything. For question practice, DPP normally has been solving, there is modules, but extra question practice must. If you have like other app, like I already said, Memo Neet, otherwise having extra question banks. If you want to solve, definitely you can solve by adding a name here. What are the books you have? Use any app. So finally, chess also you should do. Definitely you should be doing. Don't take bio as a little bit lazy, like I will manage it, I will do everything. Don't take in such a way. Definitely you should have every test in every chapter. It's very important to do in bio also. Chapterized test, unit tests definitely should do. PYQs definitely you should revise. PYQs also you should do frequently. Every time how to do I have said in the study plan. So mock test is must in the last before 1 month. NCERT revision is very must. I will say I wrote only 3 columns, like here if you see I wrote 3 columns, right? But I'll say you can add 1 or 2 columns also extra, because 5 times substitution also is very important. You can do it. It's very I will say it is not waste of doing the revisions. It's very good to do many times revision, like 4 times, 5 times, 3 times, minimum 3 times, but you can go to 5 times also. It is very important. So that's all. So definitely most probably enjoyed it. After doing it, I have finally said that put a Xerox, put it in the wall. Definitely check whether what are the things you have completed, whether anything you have left or not. Definitely check it. Then only you will know the level what you are in the present situation. Are going to really, by doing this, definitely I will say you will know where you are, and definitely you will score high in NEET exam also. The discipline is very important to crack NEET exam, that I think so. Definitely you will have more discipline by doing this. This is very important, because many of them may think that I will do that, this. They will think in mind itself and then they will leave it. But actually when you check it only, then you will know where you are. Many of them may think in just by namesake, they will say I have done that, this, everything. But actually if you see, they analyze exactly and put a tick mark, then only they will know I have not completed many things that are there to do. So that's why I am saying mock test, NEET performance tracker is very important to do. definitely is very, very important. So I think most probably you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, definitely put a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share to your many friends, because not only this video should not be helping you only, it may help also to your friends also which are preparing for NEET. Share this video. Thanks for watching. All the best. Definitely I know that we are going to rock in it 2025. Thanks for watching.
Star general, who you know comparable.